High above the clouds, where the ground is just a distant memory, a team of high-voltage linemen begins their day. Their office is a steel tower. Their commute, a high wire act with zero room for error. With practiced ease, they move across the power lines, their balance and courage on full display. Every step is deliberate, every movement precise. This isn't a job for the faint of heart. It's a testament to incredible skill and nerves of steel. Working in perfect unison, they use specialized tools to make critical adjustments. Every turn of the wrench, every pull of the chain is a vital step in maintaining the power grid that fuels our world, all while suspended hundreds of feet in the air. Even the simplest tasks, like climbing down a rope ladder, become a high-stakes maneuver in this extreme environment. Their focus is unwavering, their movements a dance of experience and confidence against the vast open sky. They are the unsung heroes of our modern world, working in conditions most of us can only imagine. From traversing massive insulator strings to navigating steel beams in the pouring rain, their dedication is truly awe-inspiring. So the next time you flip a switch, remember these men. Remember the courage, the skill, and the incredible risks they take every single day to keep our lights on.